Hi guys, I'm making slime right now. I barely put it in the freezer. Let me show you.
Chloe.
I know my email, but my password doesn't work. Look, my password's on here. It doesn't even work. Yeah. Because I saw her like that.
How come it doesn't work?
Just Charlene 07 and then Cordial and then this.com.
Cross your fingers. No más uno, okay? Just
Porque
pray to God.
It doesn't really stick.
Hey, right now? No. Today, because my teacher was like, press your finger. And the girl was like this. I'm like, no, that's not going to make you work. You just need to do one finger. Because pray to God, please.
Tell him, please. Please work. Please work.
So you can have a YouTube channel.
Yeah, and it works really good. And then I put Cordero, right?
Mhm.
Cordero. I love my name. Cordero.
And then
So it's almost doing it. Look.
No, 702.
It doesn't really stick.
and then
Wait, what?
then
Then a Gmail.
Maybe it sticks a little bit.
Am I missing something? Am I missing something here?
Maybe
Because I
you need
feel like
to-
I'm missing.
maybe you
missing
need to
something
put all this together.
And
No,
then
Harriet and Charlene, and then put this, and then put.
I put more salt on it. Remember, you guys,
Try
you
it.
guys don't have to put
Press your
too much
finger.
salt.
Okay.
Pray to God. Pray to God.
Please, God, I'm begging you. Please, I'm gonna do this again. One finger crossing.
Okay. Okay. Cordero. Oops. Do.
I guess coming to kiss Maybe she's coming already.
Yeah, it's really into slime, you guys. Thank you for watching my video.
You don't need to like and subscribe to my channel.
No bad words.
Did it work? Fuck you. Oh. I'm just gonna put add a new account. Oh, my bad.
I put it right there so nobody will get it from me. Bye, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Bye.
Maybe you need to put